Billyjack on location. Good morning. This time I'm over at the old Pauoa cemetery near the Punch Bowl. This is a historic old cemetery. It's been added on to many times. It started over there, it appears, or possibly right over here, and then it sort of expanded out. It's one thing I wanted to show. This building right here, 1935 on it. Get back over here, you can clearly see this thing is, the grading on this building is unusual. We have a step going up back here. This was probably another building back here, I would suspect. You see how they've attempted to sort of dig this out of here. I love the drainage ditch next to it. Once again, the old concrete. It seems to have some very good traction properties about it for driveways. I'm going to try to get a look over here. Yeah, now you can see what I'm looking at. Old world cement building here. Definitely buried. I suspect 1935 to be the founding date on this thing. This is a red brick structure. This is what they talk about, the old sidewalks being concrete slabs. I believe they're talking about that. People said they were wooden. Yeah, at one time they were wood. It's crushed lava rock gravel. A very interesting building here in the middle of the old cemetery. Billyjack over and out.